1999, the air was filled with dreams of a startup. 5 engineers, a borrowed workplace, and an unwavering will against no finances. The Indian economy was stirring. Globalization was a buzz, and multinationals eyed India's potential.
Starting was tough. Empty pockets, limited contacts, and no industrial background posed a daunting question. Where to start?
But they jumped in blindly and pitched their products to industry owners. But without a track record, no one took the financial risk.
Adopting the situation, we shifted focus. We started offering service for existing machinery, and by this we earned their trust slowly.
In the world of capital machinery, trust, quality, delivery, and lifelong support are paramount. Energymission worked tirelessly to establish ourselves. Times churned, intentions clear, goals set. The business grew slowly, customers happy, but orders were irregular. Yet, their team's morale stayed high. Challenges fueled their passion.
An idea struck to expand pan-India. We started to explore a new territory, and finally in year 2007, we saw a real progress.
Orders stabilized, finances managed. Energymission reinvested profits into infrastructure, shifting from rented to the manufacturing facility.
Lessons from the new market were clear. It has tremendous potential and willingness to adopt a new technology. So we made a well-timed decision to invest in better infrastructure and advanced technology.
Response soared. Motivated, Energymission expanded rapidly, acquiring plants and launching new products. By 2013, Energymission grew 5 times in size and had over 12 new products rolled out. With amazing market acceptance, awards like National Level Outstanding Entrepreneurship Award for the year 2009 and 2014 by MSME recognized their efforts and fueled their ambition further.
By 2016, the team regrouped to break through a pinnacle, to become a topmost manufacturer in India, to create a world-class product and conquer the world with the best made in India product. First, we upgraded our facility, claiming the largest in India at 20,000 square meter, equipped with top-notch machineries to facilitate in-house production and ensure the precise build of quality. Second, the product redesign, a meticulous transformation to rival the international competitors. Everything from appearance, finishing, presentation, performance, and optimization systematically improved.
The market responded again. Orders poured in, and milestones like manufacturing one of the largest machines in India followed. In 2022, Energymission hit a turnover of 100 crores, claiming top position with a majority market share in India. This company established subsidiaries in USA, Middle East, and catering to the world market with a mantra, made in India, made for the world.
Today, with over 300 plus employees, 100 plus vendors, and 5,000 plus customers, we are not stopping. The journey continues. We are gearing up for public listing of our company very soon.
This is a 25-year journey filled with excitement and unforgettable moments. It's not just a story of 5 engineers' dreams, but a testament to the efforts, commitment, and dedication of everyone involved.
The Energymission story is ongoing with new milestones waiting to be achieved, perhaps in the next 25 years with more tales to tell and additional chapters to unfold.